Whoa, chef. You're especially man cooking a curry. But here what? A chicken back him like. You know? So if it was a curry chicken back now, then I know it's a problem. I'm really into the curry chicken thing. This man is the curry chicken back specialist. Yeah. Oh, your channel if you watch it there. What a pretty man. Pretty. Oh, the rain. You didn't get the rain from the other day? Yeah. Right here, see that here.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sardine. Every day.
What's up, man? It's a sunny day today. So guys, with us there, come check out back our river. You know, we check out back our river, our spot. You know, groove and see what's going on. Funeral list. Funeral list. So I guess it's not even raining as well now. But there's another river someone tell me about. I'm gonna check that out. You know, but while I'm passing, let me stop at our local spot. You know, before we move on. You know, get some fresh air, right, Jackson?
Yes, right.
Whoa, chef and boom there.
Yes.
Check it out and see what I go on. I'm gonna wash it again soon. I have time to wash it. See, it's not so bad today. Ooh. Well, go on. Go on. I'm done here, sir. The Rasta man. Alright, see what it look like now, guys, today. So the Rasta man I put in some work, some cement work, so you can see. So I'm start put it back in bags, you know. Wagwan. So you're not so bad today? You're not so bad today? They were there so we are pass through. Rasta man. They say I set it up back. Eh? Yeah. So where you bag it up back now? Okay. Them tell me say them watch the program. That them see me and say them watch the program. I say we'll come down here. So we say you want to have a more depth, like a little deeper. So, yeah. Oh, it makes sense. So we want to sand the wash away or you dig it out? Wash it out. So it have a bit more rougher than the water. Oh, you just channel it, wash it away. Water pretty, man. Pretty. Oh, the rain. You get the rain from the other day? Yeah. Right here, see that rain. Yeah. Guys, so this is what it's like on a calm day, no rain, nothing at all. You know, so I got the founder say, burglar say I try to get the sun on a level, you know. Kind of want a little depth. So when you back it back up, you know, it have a little depth. You don't want the soul too shallow. Nice. So how long you feel like it'll take to wash some more of these sand? Oh, I move them. Yeah, yeah. So you want to say want to ball my wayside? That past that. Oh, come on, chuck off. Nice. Them tell me that nice. Yeah, because I want to get more of the depth. So I want the water wash with the sand more. So when you bank it up, when you come in here, it reach me, yes, so. You know? Better.
Well, we want to sit down this year right so.
Eh?
Well, it's so nice. We want to die like how it's so nice.
Right, yes, I know.
Yes, we want to nice.
He said calm and nice today because she will not doing anything.
Calm and nice.
Calm and nice. We check over Eddie's spot. Over Eddie and Esther them spot. Eddie, are you okay? Oh, see there. Teacher, nice. Yeah. Yeah. And then I want to get something and score the stone them. You want help, you see me? Because normally people them score them thing, set and slippery. Get some kids and them could thing there, you know? Yeah. As you can see, I try back with the whole of this.
The water to spread over there, you know.
I want the sun wash it.
Wash away.
I understand, man. Nice, you could spot this, you know. Yeah. So the more the sun wash away, have more depth.
Have more depth, the sun wash out.
Yeah.
You can see up the eye, you know.
So when you bank it up now, You can see how far the water go there.
If you put the bag in, you can see water step back up.
Yeah. Yes, nice. We want to look back on your side. Check out, guys, just look how beautiful this is. Up here is so nice. Up here is nice and relaxing, you know. Very nice and relaxing. So cooking spot there, you know. And we have other spots who can cook, who can cook the next time around here, so you know. As you can see, no rain no fall for the last how long. It haven't been no rain at all. Wow. Oh, cooking are going around here. See? This is what we are talking about, going boom. Cooking are going around here already. Yeah. See this I get deep now. And hold off them spot. You know what I mean? Cooking and everything. Blessed.
Yeah, man.
Water clear. Oh, I can get to dumpling. Pour away 8 dumpling that. Body part I got shot. Very nice to get nice, you see? The thing. Big up. Where is the dumpling now? Chicken back? That's circle for our you know. Oh yeah. Nice. Be careful. Right in there, so lie down right in there, so everything.
You can't read the right.
Because the water clear now. Clear. Yes, so so they prepare some more bags there. One bag up back here, so. But you are what them standing yourself go get rid of. You know? Get rid of. This is the welcome door park.
Yeah, true, I go from the crowd. Yeah, man.
Nice. Nice, you know. Where you see yourself?
Yeah.
Them sunny want to get rid of.
Yeah, that's the one I get to my son.
Sunny want to get rid of.
It's so nice, man.
Wow, you know see, man. Yeah.
Body can do alcohol, that's how we go.
Of course.
That's alcohol part of the nice.
Yeah. Nice, man.
I say if I put the bottle right, if I'm back it up, it come up in the
Yeah.
Nice, that's a nice man.
I make it bag it up. Nice. Man, good I want help, man, you know.
The man want help time while you
See, I'm telling you, so we could have come and we could have cooked around yourself as well too. Where you see them and cook. And all the vibes.
That's a nice thing, man.
Real Jamaican vibes. This is how we do it here in Jamaica. Yeah. You are the chef in the kitchen. 2 big chef. And we have Kalalo. No Kalalo. Hey, whoa chef. You're especially man cooking a curry. But here what? A chicken back him like. You know? So if it was the curry chicken back now, then I know it was a problem. I'm really into the curry chicken thing. This man is the curry chicken back specialist. Yeah. That is it. Come in. We'll check out the next river now. The guys, so we're gonna check out the next river. And also right now we're in a river hunt. Hunting rivers. Yeah. It's all over there, so as well. Yeah. So walking through, you see, you feel a little happiness there in your body, you know, a little joy. Feel nice. Ah, look one little spot as well too. Check the spot as well. Nice. 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 Oh, you're so nice, oh, you're so nice, oh, you're so nice. Inside, you're so nice, guys, you know. So remember, this is our local spot. You know, this is where we're going to do most of our adventures, cooking, whenever we have guests. You know, if they want to go to the beach, we take them over by Port Henderson, where's our next local spot. You know, so right now we're building this vibe, adventure vibe, you know, away from charity. And after charity, you need time for a chill out.
Yeah.
You know, so this is our chill out spot. One of them. Yeah, one firm. That's a just spot this, you know. Light on right, you know, so.
You know, the monster in the water, the sea monster in the water, will have to say the sea monster will have to say the sea
Right. Huh?
Yeah, sure, a monster will have the water. Come check me the water.
Yeah.
Let me see your face, your face round the study. You want to bend your face, so. When you don't snap my water, so.
Hold it up.
Hold it up, see there? Nowhere.
No, yes, Burglar. Whoa, no, I live.
No, I leave you.
Whoa, chef, no, I live.
Nice,
Yeah.
Nice,
Yes, man. Alright, guys. Yes, guys. So, Natural is gonna do some measurements to get some tiling, to get some tiles for the work chef. That is it. Alright guys, so Natural is going to get the measurement done so we can get the tiles, start do some tiling here at Worship because we're at that stage now. You know, to start do some tiling, we're going to style out the kitchen, you know, and also his bedroom and the bathroom, you know, and the bathroom. So that's what's going to get done now. So you know, this is board flooring, you know, so Natural is going to mesh it and then tile it, you know. You're going to put the mesh over it and then with the cement and tile it, right, Brian?
Yeah.
And tile his kitchen counter, you know, it goes already. And then do some, because both chef basically he's on the finishing now, you know. And then he's going to also get a step, he's going to fix up as well because this step is too high, so you know, both chef going to have a step also, you know. So that is it. So we keep on spreading love from Mother Teresa to here, from here to Mother Teresa, and everything go. Stalpy.
One card to you.
Oh, you're not wearing the official foot today?
No.
Stalpy, put on the original foot, you know. Cause that's why I can know when time you have it, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, the dip come back in and one shoulder drop, you know.
Grab your pencil.
I'm going to have concrete nail.
Concrete nail.
She nail me.
AI.
This attack come right from us. This one. Attack is come right from us. So, this I show. The attack come here so I stop the show. And then we tie here so we right round. Come on back to the wall. And the face base on there so. And tie it both. So here then, easy to clean up.
Yeah.
Okay? Floor. Okay. 4 tile. 5 tile on the floor. 5 tile on the floor. 5 tile. You know I use in my bedroom.
Big one, let me say I use.
Them same 18 by 18.
Yeah, bigger than that too though.
Yeah, but this is the right size.
16 by 16.
Okay.
So 18 by 18. Meet it. Just 18 by 18. Actually 18, 17 and a half. Alright, the bedroom at 10 by 10. Give me a piece of paper now.
Oh, chef, you have a piece of paper. Book leaf. Yeah, give me that.
8 box of 10 tile in the room.
Eh?
8 box of tile in the room. Bedroom, 8 10. Bedroom at 10 by 10.
Pencil.
Any pencil? Sharpen.
It's a sharp one.
This is a sharper.
It's a pen.
This pen. What's the upper pen? Can I get pen? Upper pen.
The Dream Team pen.
Ready?
This is an idea.
The head
best
girl.
pen, huh?
It work?
Best pen.
Yeah, it's still work.
Stick, you know? The ball stick. Try next one.
Over sharp need. Use the pencil. Pencil good.
Georgia. You want a pen.
Sharp me from the wall. I'm going to see it on that sharp.
Try it in. I'm going to knife it. Great, well, this man, greatest man. Yes, everybody needs to park a truck.
MacGyver.
Give me a knife, man. Give me a knife. I get the bed,
Yes, guys, so we're gonna get the tile here.
From 1966, England, you know.
You stop there, man. You stop this. And see this? This sell like newspaper.
Newspaper itself.
Come in a newspaper, you get it free. See that? The Daily Mirror.
Yeah.
And then newspaper, you come in and they get it.
Get it free. Oh.
Yeah. Come let me get one of them there as well to out a newspaper.
Dig up in the archive again, boy. Because I know see some more in the archive.
What have you?
Dig up the archive.
That's how we die then they buy the newspaper and then get it in a newspaper.
What's the next knife, yeah?
MacGyver.
MacGyver, man, I have enough knife, man. I want a sharper too. MacGyver, man.
Okay.
I'm seeing MacGyver there, I'm sure if on TikTok you get old now. I started from young, you know. MacGyver come on TV and I try.
Long time picture this, you know. But Rasta Jackson in younger days and Oshef in younger days and boom. Everybody in them younger days. You see? And Yaga.
Oh, Yaga that?
Yeah.
I'm my girl from Federal that. Paglen. How this now back flank?
Oshef, man.
Oshef, are you this now back flank, sir?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, me that's the man, you know.
Charger.
You see Oshef younger them time there.
It's
And then name Del Piero.
And if you uplift them 40 back in your youth.
Love beer.
If you that's them 40, that's the one. How it is?
Not to be in potential, you know.
And lead a hike.
Boom that.
Sure. Joseph that one, sir.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
boom and Joe.
And wash it from our back.
Story, I always have something like that. Tell them you got the archive man things like that.
Lead a hike. And Rasta Jackson. Why? That picture is classic. Can say Jackson younger them time there, you know.
Jackson, that was man.
Yeah, I know that so.
Nah, man. Me look good, John.
I
Shut up.
younger them time.
Star.
Picture, you know.
Oh, chef, keep the whole of them photos
Two
there.
balls there, say no. And a boy and my little from.
Yeah, Vale.
Star.
That wood is.
My picture, man.
Whoa. Whoa, you know?
Yeah. Young, you know? Guy, young man. Well young, you know?
Whoa, you know?
Picture, man. Just you were going to put them some.
Those were the days. Those nights now.
See? 10 by 10 by 7.
Yeah, man. So I want to thank our extended family. We thank them so much, you know, for supporting on this journey. You know, it's a blessing. It's a blessing to helping out each other. As you can see where War Chef is coming from and where he's living and what he needed to get done, you know, situation. So we're here, you know, we're gonna get some tiles and things, you know, so we're gonna work with what we have. You know, they know the thing goes already, so that is it right here, guys. So Natural finish off. Natural is gonna finish off, get the measurements, so we're gonna know how many tiles we're gonna need, because we're gonna also tile the kitchen counter as well too.
No man, alright them are good.
Yes.
No, school me I go to man and just sign when you man. Get back up in.
Come up early, come get them, man.
Alright.
Alright, whoa, that is it, you know?
That is it, you know. We'll fresh up and, you know, feel nice and, you know. We'll shave up and, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get some tiles for War Chef.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can start off with this mission and tiling out the place. You know.
Now that door in the back, sir.
So that's what we're gonna do next. Let's get the tiling out the way. So blessed love, guys. Blessed love to all. You know it goes already. Well, blessed love, guys. So today, so I hope you have a wonderful day anywhere you are. You know, today I'm getting some tile for the War Chef. You know, I'm buying some tiles for the War Chef today, so Natural can start his tiling of his bathroom and also his kitchen, and you know, the bedroom as well too. So we're here at Home and Things. You know, that's where we get our tiles. The last time was purchasing tiles for Miss Dana. You know, they got some nice ideal tiles here, you know. So this is where we always get our tiles, and so I'm here gonna get to the tiles now. So guys, remember, please, thank you so much for watching King Life in Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica, where them say Jamaica, yeah. So you know how the thing goes. So This is for the bedroom.
Alright, so bedroom is 10 by 10. The bathroom wall is 10 by 7.
Yeah.
And there's
The next wall.
next wall is 9 by 5. Alright. The bathroom ground is this the outside or the shower area?
This inside the shower.
So, alright, so inside the
Both
shower.
inside and outside.
Oh, so everything is 10 by 4?
Yeah.
Alright, method strip 5. Alright, so which tile you want to look at first? The bedroom tile? You want to look at these tiles first, or you find something area that you're interested in?
No, we can look at them.
Yeah,
Is it the same size?
yeah, all of these either 22 or 23. So some of them is 22, like this is 22 while this is 23, for example. This is 23, that's it. Now I have more on the other side.
Those are 20 by 20, right?
Yeah, down there says 23 and 23, yeah. Those are 18 and 17. These are 18 and 17.
One is rough. Okay.
And the smaller bedroom tiles are up here. Or, well, floor tiles I should say are up here. The smaller ones are the 16, 17, 18. And these are the 20, 21 and 22. This side and so these are the smaller ones, 16, 17 and 18. Remember we have some behind there as well. So
So these are the 18 by 18.
16, 17 and 18. That means yeah. All three.
So you're using 18 as well, right?
This one is 8. This is 18 as well.
Alright, these ones too.
That one, or let me check on
Guys, so I just purchased the tiles, you know, and this is a strip as well that's going to use. So I'm going to pick them up down here. This is where you pick them up. Oven things, you know. So hopefully you guys like the choice that I take. These are damaged tiles as well, so I guess them have damaged tiles as well, but it's a lot of work when you have a damaged tile. So General. So this is where you pick them up here and wait for them at the gate. So this is the pickup launch. Yeah, is this where you give me? Hello. Listen to
it's not tree there where they're right. I'm going to driveway right now.
I don't mind you now. I say take time. You know, it a come.
Reach it.
No, so when we can unload it. Same that cross what them a come up in the traffic. waterfall. Alright guys, so see the whole chef Thailand thing is set. So this is what I chose. This will look nice. And I have the bathroom as well as for the bedroom. So this will be nice. So we have
spicy barbecue.
Ache. You miss me and I miss you. The wow chef place up and running. Wow, them are heavy, you know.
No, man.
One are bigger than your back.
How much come out back?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10.
No, wrong way. Go up and lean them up. Bust up. Wow. You have been to water, sir. Lean them up. Lean up. Take out the one, man. And lean it up. You can't put them up in the box. So them pack my container, you know.
Yeah, that's how the man them lean up in the car.
You can lean them up and bust. All the pack by lean up and stuck pack by pallet.
Oh.
When pack, they tie them. Then pack some packs and tie them stand up. And tie them.
Yeah, they do it fast.
Come God, hold it.
We have weight now, we are in them. Move like this.
Slow. Come on then.
Carry.
We're not set up for broke.
Pack this on, pack on the road. Pack on the road.
Oh, just. The hero is here. The hero come save the day. I say feel the muscles.
Feel the muscle move, they don't like me, they put them Jella, where are they? There, man.
Jenna.
Yes, son. Yeah, that sound like it asleep.
Oh, Rona said there.
Each up on the roadside, there's a song like that.
Hot. You were supposed to can carry 3 one time, though.
Shit and all. I tell you, brother. Joe, it's a good time now. But we never take the kitchen counter one.
Bar, let's say you can go 2 million bar food.
I just stick out one them and the people take.
First one.
I said no, just said no, man. Stick out one.
First, you show and stay up.
Yeah, some big long one.
Better look for the rasta man in the bed for the stretch of my What's up?
Yeah. Ah, no that. Different pattern of you. See?
The man on the wall.
First, don't show the top man. You keep it level.
Okay.
Yeah.
Niggle, just jump that down, bounce in there. Yes, yeah. Lock it in now, slide and lock it in. Bouncing in and setting. Bouncing in, same and setting. When you want to cut for yourself, have it.
That is it, natural.
You give me a different style, you know?
Yeah.
You can give everybody the same thing.
So get something different.
Yeah, something different.
What do you call this one?
Checkers.
Oh, the checkers.
Yeah, man. See it? Same one style, same. Just cut one side, not the 2 sides.
Chinese checkers.
Alright, bunch it, top not even. Look for the top, look for the edge, yeah. If you look for the edge, that's up. No, man, that's up. You have to line up flat. So I'm going to look more. Same?
Yeah.
Look more, it's a strand more. Ah. See it? Look out for them things.
Then you can this one and come down.
No, board they use, man. Board, it's a board. But a child.
Right there, in there, yeah? The mullet.
It's a board, man.
In the mullet.
Mallet, you know some round, sir? I'm bringing it around now.
I'm bringing it on.
No, mallet, round, sir.
Right there in the yard.
My own. My yard, yeah. Hang on.
The gate open.
We get a key. A private property and key lock.
Yeah, enter like that. It's private property.
Private property key lock.
Okay, beautiful. The people can learn in it.
Yes, man.
Get in the trade.
Man, sit tile out, so make sure me more say me do this.
Yeah. That is it. Once you're in the class of natural, you must learn if you want to learn.
That's it.
No, the mallet, no, not sure.
So give me the key and go for
Hey,
it.
key.
Stay key up.
So you step up and step, and you get a key. So you step up and step, it's by electrical wire on the right and step, and you go with some black thing, and black rubber thing that angle.
You know what, man?
Alright.
Go get the mallet.
Let's cover. Yeah, man. Brother.
Go put the mallet.
Do the match, man. Match done. Come collect.
English time now.
English time.
Alright, because once the math done, you know what? English time, no. Adding up done, so English time, no. Yeah, so, you know. Yeah?
Run out of it, hey.
Run out of it, hey. Run out of it, we not starting yet. Wait, when the whole of them are fret yet. Woo! Business place are going up. Well, guys, as I can see, the tiling out begins for the wow chef bathroom and his entire house, you know. And we have to give thanks, you know, for our extended family. We make it possible so the wow chef is getting his project up and running. Look at that big right there.
Yeah, man, and the man who
right now, man, all him gone. Jeez. That right there hole.
Yeah, man, black too, you know.
Black till him hole. Where you see him, look like one grandpa rat. Guys, that's a grandpa rat, you know. That the grandpa rat them in Trenchtown, you know.
Yeah, they want to change too.
Yeah, they want to change. It's been a while. So, worship, how you feel?
Yeah, man. Good now, happy to myself, you know.
See the knee cup tester.
Yeah, see this now.
Knee cup tester.
I got figure out the answer to sitting for us.
It's what they use to test the knee cup.
Snow laugh.
Yeah, the mallet.
Well, I'm going to a private estate and cool breeze a fling from all angle.
I like you.
Yeah, all up in the roof.
Perfect, not sir.
Perfect. Bunty. Raise out this one.
Razor.
No man, turn it there, sir. Turn the cut part in the corner, so. Yeah.
Razor, not laser.
Fit one.
Yeah, perfect.
Give me. And I'll get a problem now. Do so. Great, I listen.
Cheers. Around with that child. Really cool stuff.
That's it now?
Yeah, perfect.
Give me and butter I can put you.
What are you there?
Yeah, no work I go on. I'm going to roll and come back. Beautiful.
Yeah, what?
Just beautiful. I'm not going to show us. Now come back around to the street again.
Only if you have water.
True.
Because right now the pressure on you looks steep.
You're done with me now.
See you, man. This one can take off, see you, man. See you, man. Let's see. Here's our
No.
Bounce the canvas, sir.
Bounce.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let me mullet.
Just get it.
That's this one.
Literally touch it.
Bounce.
Bounce it.
Yeah. Bounce.
Easy about it.
Lower. Lift up. Yeah, one. Yeah, bouncing in. Level now. Bouncing in. Yeah. Bouncing in till the extra to this. Yeah. So the mallet portion. Alright, you put on your one upon this one. From here, so. Yes, from here, so just start. Just stop right there. Put in the one, right? Now up and go.
Looking beautiful, guys. Looking beautiful. Beautiful. As I can see, it's looking really good, you know. Ocean bathroom is coming out real fine. Oh, chef. Ah, boy. There's a room for rent. Airbnb.
Put the man on the wall and go down for it, brother. Yeah, man, go for it, you know, man. Yeah.
Put him on.
Yeah, man. Press the man on the wall, huh? I don't style about it now, no, man. Now I broke it, so now I should have style. I use it on bounce, man. Because I make it so soft, you can bounce. This is a fish shower. Shower here, this one. See? Bounty.
Bounty.
The one. I'll take out this and mix up some stuff. I shower that. So that shower going up from there, so. Yes, I'll come across, because last one I come here, so.
So I mix the grub now. Grub and spread it.
Oh, this up.
No man, you know what I'm doing, man. You know what I'm doing for real. I want to go and put on the week.
Oh, the cement jacket. Yeah. Because so many time, you know, mistake do
Man,
make.
mixologist, man.
Stay there.
Too much cement there.
Yes, you know, want too strong. Because remember, sometimes mistake make I have got to take it back off of the wall.
Come on.
And it's hard to come out.
Oh yeah, you're something them did. Are we? Yeah.
I take them down.
The drill. So you never carry.
No, yeah, well. Mine no matter, man. I forgot to forget it. My one in IKEA.
Kilo, whatever. Can you put him in that box?
Yeah, correct. But the bit in the tip in the
Yeah,
Where's the banner? I give them. Alright, take them down. I take this now. And now?
No, we never get the way they make it, man. No.
The entire people are still moving.
Alright.
Never have a mixer, man. It used to use one of my special name there.
I'm going to run a Kalisa.
I see them drill gun.
I see him drill gun there with the
Impact wrench.
Never used to use one of my original now.
They don't know. We have to go.
A natural one, man. Natural saying go and fill in Paris.
Yeah. When somebody put there. So nobody knows no problem.
Bunch of master time and you try to cut. Yeah, easy, yeah. Yeah. Greatest athletes in the rest of the world, sprint 100 meters.
Oh, chef, I got sugar.
You can see black line, try black line. I'm soon touch on the next main pan it. The next pan you don't
Whoa.
yeah, man. Whoa.
I have a donation here for you, you know. Yes. From Nikki towards the project.
Yes, man.
From the USA. I have $11,000 here for you from Nikki.
Nikki. My niece named Nikki, you know. Yeah, I'm sweet, you know. Nikki. Alright, Nikki. Thank you very much, you know.
Yeah.
Still up on the work, same way, you know. See that? You can see, you know. Kyle in the Madeira right now, so.
Yeah.
Still up on the Gideon, same way.
Same way.
Yeah, when I done it, you know, I have Mother Teresa line up, same way too. You see him, so. But up on the ground, man, I'm not leaving, but up on the ground. You hear that?
That is it.
Yeah, man, but up on the ground. I'm not leave, I'm not going nowhere at all. I'm always up on the ground. Yeah,
That
twice,
is it.
man. Nikki.
So you have $11,000 here for you from Nikki.
$11,000 from Nikki. Nikki, thank you very much. God bless you. Yeah, man, we have enough more project to deal with. We have a lot of things left to take care of. Yeah, man, Nikki. Blessed, yes. Thank you very much.
Here, you cut that? Jeez! Here, cutting in style.
That is it.
Here, cutting strip. See this? That is it.
On top of it.
Aye. Oh, you know.
On top of it.
Get in there. Get in there.
You must be moving.
Get in there. That's out, man,
Gotcha.
Sweet. So, it on top of it. That is it.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica.
You hear that Carrier Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch channel, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.